Terms and conditions. Legal notice. The publisher has strived to be as accurate and complete as possible the creation of this report. Notwithstanding, the fact that does not warrant a present at any time that the content within are accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the internet. While all attempt has been to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumes no responsibility for error, omissions, or country interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slight of specific person, people, or organizations or unintentionally. In a particular adverse book, like anything else in life, there are no guarantee of income at reader and cautions to reply on their own judgment about the individual circumstances to act accordingly. This book is not intended of use for a source of legal business, accounted of financial advice. All reader advice to the seek service of competent professional in legal business accounting and finance field. You are encouraged to print the book for easy reading. Table of content. Intro. Chapter 1. Building blocks of successful blogging. Chapter 2. Can you lose money by not doing sponsored reviews? Chapter 3. AdSense, what is the and how to use it? Chapter 4. Additional tips for making money your blog. Chapter 5. Does writing about what you love make money? Chapter 6. Generating revenue for blogging, fact or fiction. Forward. Let's face it, business can be a fight, particularly when you're trying to stable on online and like all fight. To succeed, you must find a winning technique and you apply them. We need customer and client to discover use, love use and keep return for more. We as will that is the best business or authority at branding. Why doesn't no need commercially what individual in the entire world doesn't recognize the gold archer? We sing along to Radio Jungle to higher a degree than we do 40 hits, so let's have look at this subject. Blogging success. Learning and getting inspiration from this best blogger. Chapter 1. Building blocks of successful blogging. Synopsis. An acquaintance recently asked me would help your beginning blog. Her request inspired me to look at what is accurate for operating my one blog for these past 2 years. Tips to building a successful blog. An acquaintance recently asked me if you would help begin blog. Her request inspired me to look at what I have acquired from the operating my one blog for the past 2 years. My initial proposition was to spend while learning and reading the World Wide Web is flooded with blogging data and advice. I am not man to add in returning emissions number overnight, but this data is all over. I am also not a source of a technique point. I acknowledge what thought my situation, and I determine more as required. I assume I am like individual who release material on this internet. I classify myself as a small but serious blogger. I am also big time consumer of the material and media. I follow my blog in several niches, both of material and to learn what works. So basic, my experience, what should I tell my acquaintance tell to, that without consuming her. Here is where I began. For my blogging is basically a relationship to crucial component of relationship or intent and association. Choose what you want to achieve. You are able to find dozens of high quality direction about very aspect of the arranging and controlling your blog, but none of the size fit all. Choose design program, post length style depending on the ending goal you have. Conclusions that you do not seem like a big deal now may become crucial later. For instance, self-hosting with your one domain might feel like unneeded expensive but is crucial if your goal is to construct a personal brand or business around your website. Remember that it is about your audience. Design should fit the blog personality. Any overly easy design might appear plain and underable, but in minimalist them the reality set the tone for his her message and hence in material everything matters. Every choice either move you towards your goal or away from it. Personally, I do not pay lot attention to figure because traffic is not part of my objective. I consider and trick analysis each month, but that is really more about curiosity. I seek and try out idea and learn for my errors. Consider my site as a ring and I think about appearing to reader who heighting the quality of discussion. The point. My technique is deliberate and fit my total goal. Incidentally, my figure have more triplet single 1110 information, expertise, and opinions are promptly available from an endless assortment of course sources. I consistently follow writing other bloggers to keep with the trend idea of others. The thing that you most important are consistency and legal legitimacy and anti-trick provide short-term speaker and expense of long-term trust or loyalty. You may fool me into visit, but I won't be back if you treat me like a fool. Beware of barrier. I appreciated concerns about spam and privacy, but balance those against the need for reader to connect. Make you commentary for friendly and invited with so many available for rooms. I am like to choose those that create to my communication reference preference. For example, some blogs focus me to use my Google's ID. Since I don't access my Google account, I will never see follow-up comment. Why bother composing a truthful comment? I know there are way around that, but why should I have to do exit work to contribute to your blog? I find that my flock don't like to leave public comment, but they love more personal contact. If you don't want to provide an email address, consider creating a simple contact form. It seems obvious but barrier more connection and so more reader. That is what I offered guardians to the gate are pointed in the right direction. What would you add? Chapter 2. Can you lose money by not doing sponsored review? Synopsis. What is the culture medium with the biggest advertising spending on the global television? Television ads are so effective or advertise and also lucrative for TV companies because viewers will inevitable pay attention to advertisement. Would be able to say that same thing about content based website like blogs? What are you losing money on? What is the culture medium the biggest advertising spending on that global television? Television ads are so effective for advertise and so lucrative for TV companies because viewers will inevitably pay attention to the advertisement. Would we be able to say same thing about content based website like blog? Not exactly. If you consider Google AdSense for banner ads, the most used to monetization method, you will conclude that it particularly different from the editorial content. For instance, if you have a blog and display ads on your sidebar, only your reader will be able to although brush off the advertisement. If so, they desire a few even use the blockers so they will not see your AdSense unit for banners regardless where you place them. What if the eventually television ads block? Likely advertorial, which is article written by the advertiser about a product is put on the blog like additional post. Another option is sponsored viewers, which are posts published by the blogger critiquing particular product or service. Most bloggers choose the example because they get to write the article content themselves and reader will not be bothered with another writing style. Here's a fact that reinforces the similarity of a sponsored viewer with the TV advertisement. If you ask an advertiser whether would like to pay your banner ads for the sponsor review, he will certainly say the sponsor review. Why? Because he will acquire much a better return on investment as the sponsored review will give the product a better great kind of exposure with the reader of the blog. As a result, a sponsored view is probably among most lucrative way to monetize a blog. Last week, one company offered me $1,000 with a critique about the last product. It was related to my niche, and I was sure most of my readers would find it of value. This made me wonder, are most bloggers leaving money on the table by not do sponsored reviews? For instance, if they started doing them on this blog, I could easily add another $4,000 per month in profit. Consideration one sponsored review for big, which would simple double of my advertising property on the blog. I think this proportion is the true for most bloggers. If bloggers started doing sponsored review, they had double of the ad revenue. That being said, I think it is possible for a blogger to do sponsor review while keeping in the integrity. There are main requirements. A. Clear up disclosure on each review. 2. Honestly while writing the review. 3. The choice of product that is truly relevant and useful for this reader. Other people claim it that sponsor post could get the trouble with Google, but isn't true long as you follow attribute on the links inside the review. Google does not have problem with a sponsored link as long as you clearly label them as such. In senses of the question that raised is, are your reader going to be put up the sponsor review and whether or not you feel the good avenue for your blog. Chapter 3. AdSense, what is, how do you use it? Synopsis. AdSense is among the primarily property generator of blogs and sites. Usually you are able to directly improve your click-through rate totally by placing an advertisement visually, by improving the material targeting, by the optimizing the ads on I note recently below I will cover the last point, how to optimize the AdSense unit within 8 simple tips. AdSense. What is that? AdSense is among the primarily property generator of blog and site. Usually you are able to directly improve your click-through rate and totally net by placing the advertisement visual by improving the material targeting or by the optimizing the ad unit direct. Below I will cover the last point, how to optimize the AdSense unit with the 8 simple tips. 1. The 3 top of puffing and unit are 336 into 380 degree larger recently rectangle. Wide, wide cycle. Think about using those units if possible, but bear in mind the other format would be more appropriate of using site design. 2. The more successful link color is blue. This info connected with the root of the internet where all major sites use the future blue link. 3. Asset form a blue link in the area to also use link color to match the pattern of your site. If your green link make the AdSense link of the same color. 4. As a generally rules of thumb blend and no border same background. You AdSense unit if your site has to slide color schemes and contrast. Border construct line background the unit if you are using dark color scheme. 5. If you advertisement or basically within the content we should avoid using borders while advertisement unit outside of the content can use border to call attention. 6. If your site has mainly repeated visitor like formos, you are able to ratio rotate the background color unit to the cutback advertisement blindness. 7. Consider removing the advertise on the side message from your unit that can be done on the control panel under the My Account section, disabling the on-site advertising of future. 8. Test, test and test. Every website is unique, so make sure to test with different colors and format and tracks result of fine tune your AdSense. Chapter 4, Additional Tips for Making Money on Your Blog. Synopsis. If you are planning to advertise on your blog, you probably already hear about AdSense. It is the biggest online market for internet bloggers. Most individuals who advertise on a blog do very well. More tips to be successful. If you are planning to advertise on your blog, you probably already hear about AdSense. It is the biggest online market for internet blogging. Most individuals who advertise on a blog do very well. How come? Most of the time the blogger did his research. If you would like to maximize your changing advertising, these 8 tips below will help you. 1. Make sure your blog is generating traffic. This is the most crucial factor. If you want to advertise on a blog with success, your blog has to have huge traffic. Listening is a before monetizing that traffic would be a bad decision. You would be able to advertise it, but the money would be get might below really measure of the site. 2. Work on your trust rating. Each member on the internet has a trust rating. Most advertisers will check it before placing their bids. In other words, higher your trust raising the higher chances of advertising on your blog. As a result, you should take all of the action that will improve your trust rating. Easy. Connect your Flip account with Facebook, LinkedIn, verify your telephone number, and so on. 3. Don't hype your description. The more hype description, the more people will think you're desperate to advertise and that your blog isn't a solid one. Example of remark you should avoid include huge potential, lifetime opportunity. My loss is your gain. Secondly, don't hypothesize what is a blog could be learning. Some people list blog that is making $100 per month, $10 per month, and they so think this blog has a potential to make $4,000 per month easily. If you knew this, certainly you should be not able advertising space of such a low price. For answer to every comment, even if you write crystal clear description, people will still have question and they will ask them through comment section. It important to answer to every single comment as this won't only encourage this comment to want to advertise on your blog, but it will also improve the overall credibility. 5. Have a plausible reason for advertising. One of the first thing people will ask you why you are advertising. If there is no plausible reason, they will rightly assume that the blog is going downhill and that you want to get rid of it before it become worthless. In fact, it would be a good idea to include the reason for advertising. You definitely need to find one that fit with your blog and doesn't annoy your reader with ads that have nothing to do it with your blog. Chapter 5. Does writing about with your love making money? Synopsis. That is the most common glitch among blogger, online expert, and the internet entrepreneur. I am sure heard you before. I utilize the advice myself. It goes like this: if you want to make money online, you got to pick a top with your passionate about. You need to enjoy it, else it won't work. Writing about what you love. That is the most common niche among blogger, online expert, and internet entrepreneur. I am sure you heard it before. I utilize this advice myself. It goes like this: if you want to make money online, you got to pick a topic that you are passionate about. You need to enjoy it, else it won't work. I used to agree with the 100% lately, however, I started calling into question that rule. Creating a site on a topic that you love is certainly a great technique and it does work well for many individual, but I am not sure is it only way to go. The first follow is I seen of the rule following fact: if the niche or topic you love isn't profitable one, it will be pretty hard to make a lot of money online with it no matter what you do. Suppose you love tea, should you write about it if you want to make money online? I am not sure. You should certainly create a popular website around tea. But if you decided to go the profitable niche instant, while putting the same effort and time would end up making much more income. One argument that people use to back up the you got right about you love theory of the fact: if you choose a topic merely because it is profitable, soon you will lose the motivation. If you write about something you love, On the other hand, you will have content of year to come. This is partially true but not completely, because some people got motivated by the pure desire of making money or become successful. In other words, if they start a website on a profitable niche and see that their profit of bringing a good amount of money, they will get motivated no matter what the topic is. They will even do research and learn about it if needed. So, what is my position now? I think that both strategies can work. Choosing a niche of topic because you love it good route to success, but choosing a profitable one approaching it scientifically can be equal successful. You need to try my assistant in the Bharat who can do for $3 hour and this new pre-plugging for your WordPress blog. When you need it, where your Google and the word of the area you need help in and add the either help community to it. Seek a community forums on blogs online or able to hang out in pro a bill. You will come off feeling refuged on possible even with some great new tips for individuals who are out there suffering the same trouble as you that turn them into success. Chapter 6, generating revenue for blogging, fact or fiction. Synopsis. If you bring up my blogs rules, there is for a smile in the I don't understand but okay kind of way. If bringing up in fact that I make income blogging, however, I I abruptly have the attention. Make money fact or friction. I bringing my blog folk rules there is or smile in a I don't not understand but okay kind of a way. If I bring up the fact that I make income blogging, however I abruptly have the attention. The concept seems easy enough. I write about it suits the individual read it and I make profit of the advertising to those of you who have been doing the four wheel. It is simple to get the novice blogger who is just getting the business all the same. It is important to recognize what you are getting into. If you are new to blogging and interested in doing it for earning, here are coupling that bear in mind before dedicating yourself. Blogging is a simple blogging for profit is hard. I will not go as far as to say it is hard to draw secondary income for blogging, but it is definitely harder than most individual think. It is not just about creating material and slapping up some advertisement and good writing. Proper theme plating, advertisement placement, developing an audience. There are a lot of skill required to make blog fruitfully, all of which you will need learn. You need to blog for a long run or not all. A vast most of blogger boom the first few months, failing under neglected discuss disuse. A couple of blogs seem learning during first few months unless you able to stick with for at least a year. You will probably never see any return for effect. Pick a niche that you enjoy and stick with it. General purpose multi-topic blog and difficult developing a relationship. Brainstorm the topic that you care about most, then pick one ad and blog about a exclusive. Start with one blog. If you have a lot of time and your list of possible topic, don't give into the temptation to start a different blog or each one by dividing your effort between several blogs. You increase your likelihood that all them will fail. Put off the effort into your blog to start once you get hang of thing. Then you might consider branching out of additional blogs. If you are unsure that drive it, the fact is many people do not have the drive or stamina and the blog for income successful. If you are not sure, try a starter blog on a free service such as Blogger or WordPress.com. Fill it out of a few weeks. If by the end this time you have struck with and find you like blogging is right of you, go ahead and commit to get effect. This advice apply equal well to test driving new topic if you are unsure what you write about. Place advertising wisely. Some individuals recommend not placing advertisement on a blog unit. It is matured somewhat. Other advocate putting them up right away. Their reward are risky to both approach. Just making 10 place your advertising tracks full so as not to overwhelm your reader put the user experience in the first place. Enjoy yourself. This is the real key to successful blogging. If you pick to topic that you enjoy and blog about it with passion for month and year end, your blog will the readership generate income and generally because successful. If however your blog become a chore to maintain it will inevitable fail. Thus you keep to with blog and you love it. It will succeed in the generate profit. If you do not research, write about things that are not to interest and generally don't keep with it, your blog will inevitable fails. When client buy your product or service for the first time, they really make a trial purchase. If they grateful, they keep coming back to you. Making a beneficial product isn't end of the story. A lot of business owners make the same error. As soon as product is purchased, they forget the buyer. If you want to hold a customer for repeated purchase, you should improve your customer service. Provide great service to buyer who bought a product or service. They will certainly come back to you. Everyone prefer safe, familiar in the quality product. Providing good quality product or service is just the start of a story. Don't try to fool the buyer when a import get the good product for at fair price develops certain expectation. Now it is your responsibility to live up to that expectation by the keeping up quality. If they don't get good product in the two and third purchase, they will switch the another brand. Remember that your competitor or they draw in their attention. Brand loyalty not only learn you promoting profit but maximizing your revenue in the long haul. Warping up. Remember, advertising doesn't have to be long, hard, connective process. Even wrapping up. Remember, advertising doesn't have to be long, hard, cognitive process. Even minor sell person blog and definitely generate revenue. The net and the social network site make this easy. Then every before advertising in your blog can be fun and more significantly very rewarding. Remember, humankind runs deep with consumer awareness. You can make money off your blog.